Hey people, got a couple of new locks, Master Pro Series black, do that in my next vid, and I got a Master Lockout yellow.
Spacious interior, environmentally conscious design with ultimate comfort and top-of-the-line appliances. Without a perfectly priced for families, giving you a rare opportunity to find your perfect home here in Fort Worth, your vibrant riverside community.
When it comes to dieting, I've tried it all. Diet books? They didn't work. Pre-packed meals didn't work. Tried these too. They didn't work. LA Weight Loss is different. It does work by giving you the help you need. I lost 150 pounds. I lost 19 pounds in just 16.
It's a false set.
LA can give you the help you need. New low prices, now just $8 a week. And if you call in the next hour, you'll get 6 weeks free. 1-866-903 thin. Beauty is embracing all my experiences. I feel wiser. I feel confident. But I certainly don't feel older. Introducing Nivea DNH, the only skincare line with folic acid. DNH for strikingly firmer looking skin and to reduce the look of wrinkles. New Nivea DNH.
There we have it.
Because beauty is in you.
Master Safety Lockout. This is a key retaining lock, so you got to be very careful when you close the shackle, or you get a situation like this where the plug has spun around, the spool pins are sticking up through the pinholes, and I imagine yeah, the key pins can fall out now, but anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and try and fix that, try and get that picked for you. But yeah, anyways, that's the Master Safety Lockout, picked right out of the box. This is a 6-pin lock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has serrated spool pins, and I believe, no, oh, actually, sorry, it has regular spools, and I think some serrations on the key pin, but I'm not totally sure. Peace. Don't break the law. Oh, and Keys is on his way.